So what would you say BJP is leading in Assam and West Bengal? It's really a matter of celebration. So how is BJP looking at
The lead of Bharatiya Janata Party in West Bengal and in Assam shows the victory of the Karyakarta of Bharatiya Janata Party. And in West Bengal specifically, if I have to speak, we have seen there has been an environment of terror continuously for 10-15 years, for which the people have voted for Bharatiya Janata Party. They have voted for development. Under the leadership of Amit Bhai Shah, the Bharatiya Janata Party's Karyakarta has worked utmost towards this victory, and henceforth this victory has been here under the leadership of Modi ji. The development work that has been happening throughout India has given the cause for people in Assam and in West Bengal to give BJP the mandate. So hence we have seen this humongous victory in these states.
What's the impact of SIR? Because constantly from TMC there was coming ki SIR will have an impact. Lots of votes have been, names have been deleted. So has SIR made an impact?
SIR, you have to understand, is a process to clarify the voter list, and hence the dual voters or bogus voters that were on the electoral roll have been deleted. So hence surely there must have been some impact. जो bogus votes थे वो निकालने का काम इसमें हुआ ही है, and hence this victory is surely, I believe, it is a victory of Bharatiya Janata Party's Karyakarta.
So from TMC side, there is this argument coming that BJP always does this politics of polarization, divides the voters, always this based on religion, this politics is played by the BJP.
We believe in our thought process, and we have always propagated our thought process. That is what we have done. And in Hindi, there is a kahavat ki gir pade fir bhi tang uchi. So that is what I believe they are trying to do. They are trying to cover up what they have. What was Didi doing in the last Vidhan Sabha election? If we see, she was playing emotional card. Even in this Vidhan Sabha election, she tried to play the emotional card. Even she tried to play soft Hindutva card. People have out and out rejected her false face, and they have given a clear mandate to Bharatiya Janata Party.
What are the factors that led to the BJP leading in West Bengal?
The main and the key factor for the victory of Bharatiya Janata Party in these states is the work that Bharatiya Janata Party's Karyakarta has done for so many years. Also, there have been Bharatiya Janata Party Karyakartas even from Thane. Thousands of Karyakarta had gone to West Bengal to ensure that they vote for the development of the nation. Also, you have to understand that the victory in West Bengal was very essential for the safety and security of the nation, because what Amit Bhai Shah had said in one of his interview, whatever the terrorism flow is there from West Bengal border states, now there has been a complete full stop to this, and भयमुक्त देश बनने के लिए आज ये एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है.
How will the celebrations in Mumbai take place? We are getting to understand that the Chief Minister of Maharashtra is also coming to the BJP headquarters.
Mananiya Fadnavis Sahab will be joining us for the celebrations at around 3 o'clock over here, and thousands of Karyakartas of Bharatiya Janata Party will be coming here at 3 o'clock. There is a grand celebration with Jhalmori, with Bengali sweets and everything.
Okay, who will be the Chief Minister of Bengal?
That the party leadership will decide, yes.